Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract rare and zip archives on Motorola Moto E32s. And to do this we'll need to open the rare app I shown you previously on how to download it. Then locate the files that you want to unpack. Here's mine. Click on them. Then click on the arrow pointing up. You'll enter extraction options. You can customize any of them, but it's not necessary to extract the files from a basic rare or zip archive. I'm gonna go with browse to change the designation where files should be unpacked. So let's go for the movies folder, click on OK, then OK again, and here we just unpacked all of our files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.